and Straughn Middle School Principal Mrs. Cassandra Anderson. Please welcome the Straughn High School Sound of Gold Marching Band under the command of Drum Major Christian Pate. The Sound of Gold would like to dedicate tonight's show to our three outstanding senior band members, Kimberly Golden, Christian Kine, and David McCormick, as well as our outstanding senior cheerleaders and football players. Come on with the Sound of Gold on a musical tour of the USA as we enjoy the sights and sounds of California girls, Detroit Rock City, deep in the heart of Texas, House of the Rising Sun, Take Me Home Country Roads, and Sweet Home Alabama. Drum Major Christian Pate, is your band ready? Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax. Here's the